Jeff Cross here with Clean Facts Magazine. I'm in California at Restoration Consultants, a nice store, laboratory I guess you might call this, kind of a bunch of things going on here for the restoration industry. We have a totally booked university seminar tomorrow, which is why I'm here in California. But I ran across a guy here named Rod Hoff, who's carrying this interesting device. I guess that's an infrared camera.
That's an infrared camera, yes.
What do you do with these? Do you sell these? You service them? What do you do?
What I specifically do here is learn all I can about the difference in the features.
Okay.
Because there's a wide variety of cameras, and people who do not have experience with cameras are wondering, well, why does this one cost $2,500 and that one cost $8,000 or $9,000? Quite often I hear this terminology of bells and whistles, and I don't think that's really appropriate. It's feature differences that are useful. And the reason that there's different priced cameras, two reasons. One is to fit everybody's budgetary needs, but the other is that you can overbuy and you can underbuy.
Okay.
So I try to help a person understand what these features mean and how they can apply it to what they're doing so that they don't overbuy or underbuy.
Now, a lot of our subscribers do both carpet cleaning and restoration.
Mm-hmm.
At what point do you think someone who does restoration needs a camera?
Needs a camera, okay.
Where it's going to make them money, make it
Sure.
easier for them.
Yeah. In fact, I was on a job the other day, and it was the restoration company was not using infrared on this job, and so we were out there. I can't imagine a restoration company today not using this because it is so effective in helping to locate exactly where these issues are. And it's important to have a before and an after image of a job so that you can document what you've done. It really helps. But in this particular case, the moisture was spotty. It was a little bit here in the ceiling, a little bit over there, a little bit here. And let's say maybe 10% of the surface area had moisture in it. If you were to use nothing but a moisture meter, it would take you a long time to locate everything, and you'd still miss some. With the camera, it's a matter of just minutes of panning through, locating the issues, and then directing your airflow to dry it down. As you come back and monitor it, you can see these peaks and valleys, and so you can then readdress the flow of air to be more effective getting the peaks. And then you can document your dry down and document the fact that it was actually done.
So all in all, it's a pretty accurate tool.
Oh, very accurate.
Okay.
Very accurate. Now, it's not a moisture meter. This is used in conjunction with the moisture meter. This basically is like my eyes. It tells me, like if you see a stain, if a home inspector saw a stain on the ceiling, his eyes tell him to investigate it. The camera is looking for moisture signatures and tells me there's an anomaly, put a moisture meter on it and verify that it really is moisture.
Okay, good deal. So if anyone has questions about cameras, they can call you?
Oh, yes, please
All right.
do.
Rod will take your call. Appreciate your time.
Yes,
Thank you very much.